How to fix allow access to photos missing on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're trying to give photo access to any of the app, but that option is not available, you can follow these steps. First, launch your Settings app. Then scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Now head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from the list of options, find Photo and click on it. Now from here you can allow access to photos for all these apps. Check in for the option of Allow Change. Then head towards the app for which you want to give full access of photo. Click on it. And then check in for the option of Full Access or Limited Access. So this way you can easily fix allow access to photos missing on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.